What's good, guys? I'm back with another video. First, let me say I don't have makeup on, so you can see my little breakouts. And I'm filming on my iPhone 6s because in order for me to do this video, I need to screen record, so I can only screen record on my phone. And I can't screen record on this phone. So I have to record on this phone to show you guys what I'm doing here. Okay? So we're gonna start like in a business with Depop or something, if you want to just sell your clothes on the side or whatever, or you just need to like get rid of stuff but it's like still brand new and you just want to like you want money for it. So I'm here to help you. So let's get started. I'm going to start screen recording, and then I'm going to make room. Okay, hello. Okay, first we're gonna go into the Depop app. Oh, let me delete this real quick. And this is my page on here. I hope you guys can like see. Okay, so this is my page. I got 36 reviews, but this is also what I've bought and what people have bought for me, so it's both. In my bio, I have prices are negotiable, shipping is $4, and I put shipping is $4 instead of going with the Depop shipping, because I don't want them to take money out that they don't need to take out. You know what I'm saying? Because if you sell something for like $10-15, you're gonna get $7 because Depop hits you with the shipping fee, then their fee, and then PayPal hits you with a fee too. So I'd rather do my own shipping. Well, the minimum for USPS shipping is $4. So that's what I put. And then I also do bundles. Then I also put please read descriptions of the items, because some items I have here in New York and some items I have in PA, so they may take longer to get sent out. And then I have no returns. I don't do returns because that's just too much. Like, I don't want it back, but I'll give you your money back, but you can keep it. Like, I don't want it. I'm selling it for a reason. I'll happily give you your money back, but I do not want the item back. And then it just has like the followers and followings. So we're gonna go into I'm gonna show you guys how to sell an item. Okay, so I have these boots here that I thrifted, and they're like clear, like jelly boots, and they have like the plaid lining. So yeah, we have those. So I'm gonna go into the camera. Am I still recording? Come on now. See, okay, so now we're gonna go into selling an item. So I have these boots here that I showed you guys. So we're gonna click on the camera, and then it has 4 options. So you have 4 pictures, and you can do a video. If you do a video, you can do audio with it too. I know some people like to play music or whatever in the background. Description, you have 1,000 words to choose from, and for hashtags, it says right here on the left hand, you can only do 5 hashtags. So let's get our pictures. Do this one. Adjust it. So I would suggest to like fill up everything. And but yeah, like if you take 4 pictures, like try and get every angle of the item if you can. Do a video if it's like if you don't capture something in the picture, you know what I'm saying? Like if you want to do like a full like 360 showing the item and stuff, then do that. So for the description, we're gonna put clear sole boots with plaid. Let's put black and white because, okay, first of all, so with the description, you want to be as descriptive as possible. You want to put all the colors, the material, all of that in there, because somebody can search up. Did I put clean? Yeah, I definitely put clear. Someone could search up plaid boots. So if you put this in there, the word plaid is there, the word boots is there, your item might pop up. As simple as that. So clear sole boots with black and white plaid lining on the inside. Put jelly like boots. Chunky heel. We could put chunky heel. I don't know why I say it like that sometimes. Chunky heel. Alright, for now, for the hashtags. Okay, for now, let's keep going with the thing. So I have these with me. Okay, T. Thank you for making an appearance in my video. Next day shipping. Bundle. Why did I put a space? I meant to put that. Bundle. Where's my bundle? Alright, now hashtags, we're gonna put boots. Clear boots. Plaid boots. What size are these? Let's put the size 2. So put like hashtag size 9. Alright. So we have the description. We have next day shipping. We have bundle. We also have 4 hashtags. I really couldn't think of another one. Let's put, I don't know, let's put jelly boots. Because you know how there's jelly sandals, there's jelly boots. Okay. So then now it says 0 hashtags, so we can't use anymore. We used all 5. So, location, New York, category. Let's do women's wear. I don't know. It could be unisex, but like they don't really have that option. Shoes. Alright, I guess we'll do booties. See, okay. So category, I didn't even explain it. So you see they have a bunch of categories. They have tops, bottoms, dresses, lingerie, outerwear, accessories, shoes. So we're gonna click on shoes. Then subcategory, I would suggest putting the subcategory for everything. Subcategory, they have booties, flats, heels, knee-high boots, loafers, platforms, sandals, slides, sneakers, wedges, other. So I can put platforms because they're kind of chunky. But I'm going to just do booties. Brand. So we're going to look on here. The brand is Dirty Laundry. I don't know if that's like with the I don't know if that's the actual like brand or if it's like or if like the company has like these like different brand names. You know what I'm saying? So Dirty Laundry. Let's see if they have it. Nope. They don't, but they have a lot of what's that I click? They have a lot of brands. So they have Adidas Original, Aeropostale, Aldo, American Apparel, Armani, ASOS, Balenciaga, Banana Republic, and these are just like popular brands that people post. So you can tell this app is very diverse. So you can get high-end stuff, and you can also get stuff from like Forever 21, Charlotte, Calvin. Well, Calvin's not even like that cheap, but like, you know what I'm saying? Deb. Who remembers Deb? Deb is mad cheap. They have Deb on here. Yeah, but this, they don't have the brand. They don't have the brand. You can also put the brand in the description. But I don't really know it, so I don't know if other people are gonna know it, so I'm just not gonna put it in. Size, they have US sizes, so when you first sign up on the app, you pick your like country, so that would determine the sizes. So we're gonna do US 9 because I already checked on here. Yeah, it's a 9, so US 9. Delivery, so this is what I was talking about. So it has the option ship with Depop. You select an address. So you select the address. I'm not gonna click on it because I have some addresses on there. I have my addresses on there. It says package size, so you can do small, medium, large, extra large. So small is 0.5 pounds, which is $4.75, and it says perfect for socks, makeup, jewelry. Medium is t-shirt, phone, sweatshirt, jeans, which is a maximum of 2 pounds. So these are all the maximums, and that's $9. Their shipping went up because I don't remember anything being $9, $12, or $17. So the large is for jackets, trainers, backpacks, or like a tablet, and the maximum is 10 pounds. Extra large is laptop, hiking boots, or winter coat, and that's a maximum of 20 pounds, and that's for $17. So you can also tell by the item suggestions that this app is diverse in what they allow people to sell. So yeah, but if you pick one of these, it will be added to your item price. So let's say you price some like a t-shirt brand, or like a band t-shirt or something like that, at $10, and you choose t-shirt or medium for $9. The person who's paying is gonna be $19 for them, and then Depop is gonna take the $9 out, plus their fee, plus the PayPal fee, and they're gonna give you a shipping label to print out, and then you put that label on your packaging and stuff. So that's how that works, and that's why I don't do it, because if you do 19, how much are you getting after that? The person is paying $19, but you're only getting half of that. I can't do it. I cannot. So I do my own shipping. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go X, rearrange my own shipping, and you can put in like whatever you want. Like you could really just put in whatever you want. So I'm gonna do 4. I'm gonna click the check. You can also do international shipping if you want. I don't. I don't do international shipping just because I don't know the details about that. I've never done anything like that, so I don't even know what the minimum would be. So I'm gonna go back. Quantity is 1. So like, let's say you're starting a t-shirt business and you want to sell on Depop, and you want to sell on your website, and you want to sell on Instagram. So you can go on here. If you're selling on Depop, you can put in the quantity, and if you're selling a t-shirt with a specific graphic and you have like 15, you put 15. Oh, that's 1. You put 15. Easy as that. I only have 1 pair of boots with me right now. And then item price, totally up to you. I'm gonna price these at like $20. Okay, so I just did a whole thing and I wasn't recording. Okay, you're gonna click the next button. It's gonna give you a preview, and then you click add listing, and it's going to be at the top of your page. And that's how you list on Depop. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If it was, comment below. I'll give this video a like too, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.